In this video, I'll show you how to design your PDFs using Jotform's PDF Designer so you can fully control the look and feel of your documents. So you are going to start by opening your PDF design inside of the PDF editor like I have here. And on the right hand side, you want to click on the paint roller icon, which is also called the PDF Designer. So I'm going to click on that now. And then inside of the PDF Designer panel, you can click on Element Style to customize how questions and answers appear. So under the question style, you can change the font family, the font size, and the font style. So let's change the font family to this one here. We're going to change the size to 12. And then we can play around with the bold. As we can see on the left-hand side, it updates automatically as we make changes. Now you can also update the text color by using a color picker by clicking here, or you can enter the hex code, which is what I'll do now. And to the right of that, we have the different alignment options. Again, we can see on the left-hand side exactly how that looks as we make changes. Now, if you want the same styling applied to the responses, you can enable apply changes to answers just like that. But we're going to go ahead and turn ours off. And then under the answer style, you can also customize the answer text separately. This includes the font family, the font size, the font style, and the text color. So again, I can go in here and let's go ahead and change this one to the same as above. We'll change the font size to 11. And let's go ahead and change the color just like that. You can also set the text alignment and adjust the line spacing down here below from compact layout to something else if you need more readability, for example. I'll go ahead and keep mine on compact. Now these controls, they let you create clean, readable, and branded PDFs without needing any design experience. And to review your updates, all you have to do is click on Preview PDF up here at the top right and see how your design looks in the final document. And that's it. With PDF Designer, you can style and customize professional PDFs in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching and explore more PDF editor features, and we'll see you in the next video.